tie the knot. The idiom, tie the knot, is a common English expression that means to get married or to enter into a marriage commitment. It is often used to describe the act of two people officially becoming husband and wife. This phrase is derived from the traditional custom of tying a knot in a piece of rope or ribbon to symbolize the unity and permanence of marriage. Here are a few examples of how to use the idiom, tie the knot, in sentences. 1. Sarah and John have been dating for 5 years, and they are finally ready to tie the knot. This means that Sarah and John are planning to get married after being in a long-term relationship. 2. After a whirlwind romance, Michael and Emily decided to tie the knot in a small beach ceremony. This means that Michael and Emily chose to have a simple wedding on the beach to celebrate their love. 3. My parents tied the knot in the 1980s and have been happily married ever since. This means that my parents got married during the 1980s and have had a successful and happy marriage. 4. We are excited to announce that our dear friends, Lisa and Mark, will be tying the knot next month. This means that Lisa and Mark will be getting married in the coming month, and the speaker is happy to share the news. In all of these examples, tie the knot is used to indicate the act of getting married or entering into a marriage commitment. It is a figurative expression that conveys the idea of two individuals becoming united in a lifelong partnership.